Hi, I'm Jim Kruper, and welcome to the 5th session introducing our new KioWare Server. This session focuses on content management. Kiosks with local content will over time need their content to be updated, and our new version of KioWare Server has significantly improved content management function. Let me show it to you now. We are top level in KioCloud, and there are two ways to get into content management. First is to drill into a kiosk, and I will go into my favorite kiosk, 443. And if you scroll down on the lower left here, the content packages section, you'll see that it's in the grab and go package. And if it were in multiple packages, they would all be listed here, but it's in one now. And you can just click the edit button to go in. The other way is to go up to Utilities, click Content Management, and you'll see a list of all the packages associated with this site. And so there's a package name, the number of affected items with the package, so that can be a list of groups or individual kiosks that are associated with the package. It lists whether there's a draft revision for the package, and it also shows available channels, which indicates a publishing route for the package, which I'll go into detail here. Let us go into the grab and go package, and you'll see there's 3 affected items. There are no draft revisions, and it's currently using the stable channel. Let's go into it. And you'll see up here, package name is Grab and Go. The description is Hotel Lobby Point of Sale app. And if you needed to edit those, you could click the Edit Name Description button here. Instead, I'm going to go into Associate Items. So here are the 3 items that this package is associated with. It's the Kiosk Build Test group. It's using the beta channel. The Grab and Go group uses the stable channel, and then the Jim Test kiosk is in the alpha channel. And essentially what you can do is when you can publish your package and associate a channel with it. So for instance, when we first published, I would have published it to the alpha channel, in which case it would have just gone to my Jim Test kiosk. And once we were happy with that, then I would have republished to the Kiosk Build Test group via the beta channel. As soon as I publish the beta, it's going out to Kiosk Build Test. So all the kiosks within that group will get that content. And when we're happy with that, then we republish again to the stable channel, which right now has the Grab and Go group in it. And that's our production group. So it's going to go out to the kiosks in the field. And for that matter, if we wanted to create an additional item to associate it with, maybe there was another group, another production group that we wanted to ship to, well, we just come up here and select the group and off we go. So it truly is that simple to create items to associate with a package. Let's go back to the package. And you'll see that there are 2 revisions. They're both stable, so they're both out in production. Let's go into this first one. And because they have been published, they're not editable, but let's just go in and look at them. And this is the Grab and Go application itself. And so over on the left are a bunch of folders. I'll tell you what, let's drill into data and then categories. And you'll see that each item in the point of sale app has its own folder. So let's just drill into bagels. And you'll see within the bagel folder, each type of bagel has a PNG and it has a JSON file that defines it. So that's how the data is organized within the app. So that's the application. Let's go back to the package and look at the second revision. That is a fonts zip file. Let's go in and look at that. And so this is showing the entire package, but you'll notice there is one item here, fonts zip, that has an added icon to it. So that's the file that's included in the second revision. And since they're both been published as stable, they're out on a production kiosk. So tell you what, let's go back out to 443. And we will scroll down to the content update history report. And so this is showing the history of all revisions that have gone out to that kiosk. And so it's showing the most recent revision, and which is the font zip file that was sent. It was 4 megs in size, and it's 100% downloaded, and it's finished. And it, let's see, what did that take? It took a whopping 5 minutes to be sent. Let's look at the previous session, which was the application going out. And in this case, there's a lot of files, but they're all been 100% downloaded, so they're all totally happy. And in that case, it took, a whopping 11 seconds. That went much quicker. What's fascinating about this report is that it's dynamic. So if in fact a catalog had been published to this kiosk, and it was actually happening, you would see it up in the upper left here. You would see a start time, and you would see a status indicator here showing just how far along it was, how far along that package has been downloaded. So it's totally dynamic. It's fascinating to watch happen. And tell you what, let's go do a new revision. So I'm going to just scroll down and hit the edit button here to get into the grab and go package. And we're going to do a new revision. Tell you what, let's add a new product. We're going to add fruit. We're going to go healthful. So new folder. Oh, actually, let's get into category. And then a new folder. Call it fruit. And let's drill into that. And now let's add files. And there, let's add all those. So 13 files selected, let's add them. Okay, and there they are. And tell you what, let's publish it. Now, so it's currently draft. I could publish to alpha, in which case it would just go out to that one kiosk, or I could publish to beta, in which case it would go out to the test group. But tell you what, let's just publish to production. So we're going to go stable. We're going to confirm, and off it goes. All right, now let's go look at a production kiosk. So we'll go out to 443. And let's go down into that report. Oh, we got here just a little bit too late. So you can see up here, so it's copies pending. And the reason why it's pending is because the kiosk is actually in active mode. And as soon as that user session ends, it will put everything into place. And we can view view the files. They all came down. They're totally happy. So anyway, we're seeing a live view of a content updating. So I hope that's useful. And with that, I believe I am out of time. And I hope this has been useful. And I look forward to our next session, which will be on user management. Take care and goodbye.